how to activate State Farm Beacon. Download and install the State Farm app from your phone's app store, then open the app and log in with your State Farm user ID or driver's license info. In the app, go to the Drive Safe and Safe section and enroll your vehicle in the program by following the prompts. Wait to receive the Bluetooth beacon mailed by State Farm. When it arrives, take it to your vehicle for setup. Press and hold the button on the beacon for about 8 seconds until it lights up. Open the State Farm app, go to Drive, Safe, and Save, and tap Complete Setup for your vehicle. The app will search for the beacon. When it finds it, select the beacon ID shown to pair it with your vehicle. Use the adhesive sticker to mount the beacon behind your rearview mirror, on the windshield in some states. Enter your current odometer reading in the app to complete the setup if prompted. Make sure Bluetooth location services and all app permissions are enabled at all times for accurate tracking of your devices. Optionally, enable accident assistance through the app to get help if an accident is detected. Drive safely and keep the app running during trips. The app will track your driving habits, which can earn you discounts up to 30% on your insurance renewal. Subscribe.